Have you ever found yourself asking the question, where is the profitability in my restoration business? If you have, know that you're not alone and know that there's a way around this. Stick with me, and I'm going to give you some tips on what might just be the game changer for you, just like it was for me. In the meantime, if you don't know who I am, my name is Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com. And I'm making these videos because I'm passionate about helping owners just like you to get more profitable, to reduce the chaos in the business, and to build something they can sell for a lot of money someday when they decide it's time to move on. Okay, so I'm talking about job costing. It might not sound very exciting. It might not sound like the game changer that it really is. It was for me. Total game changer. And I want to just give you 3 points on the topic of job costing, and my hope is that it's enough to get you interested enough to decide, you know what, it's time, I'm going to take action, and I'm going to do this in my business. Number 1, a very clear, a crystal clear vision of what's going on in your business financially. Now you'll be able to look at reports and figure out what's going well, what's not going well, and come up with a strategy and tactics to make a change for the better. Number 2, when it comes to goals, this is a game changer. Now you'll be able to set targets for the different types of work that you have: mitigation, reconstruction, big picture, labor and material, budget, target, and then be able to figure out if you hit it or not. And if not, again, deep dive into what's not working well so that you can fix it and hit those targets. And what I found is businesses that have specific targets around this for their team members have a much better shot of making progress and hitting it, as opposed to no target, right? How can you hit a target if you don't even know what it is? So when it comes to job costing, setting targets, having goals around those targets is another part of the game changer. Number 3, with more profitability, there's many benefits, not only today, but also in the future. So today, it's you get to invest in the business, you get to invest in your team, you get to potentially take home more money as the owner. In the future, it looks like increased value of the business, or it could be the difference between having a business that's sellable versus not sellable. So again, clear vision, goal setting, and number 3 is value, not only for today, but also more value in the future. If you have any questions, book a call with me. We'll have a chat, and we'll figure out if I might be able to help you. Click the link below this video. I'll see you in the next one.